Each time your heart beats, it pumps out oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to your body. Blood flows through a network of vessels called the circulatory system. When blood returns to your heart, it flows to your lungs to receive oxygen. Then your heart pumps that blood out to the rest of your body, and the process begins again. Your heart is a powerful muscle, about the size of your fist. Every second, it pumps nutrient and oxygen-rich blood to your body. With each heartbeat, your heart sends blood through your circulatory system. Blood is crucial to remain alive. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients from your heart to other tissues throughout your body. It also carries waste products such as carbon dioxide away from your tissues. Your circulatory system is a network of blood vessels. Blood vessels are small tubes that carry blood all over your body. Blood flows through three types of blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from your heart. Capillaries are tiny, thin blood vessels that connect veins and arteries. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood from your body's tissues back to your heart. Your heart itself is made of muscle nourished by blood vessels. Your heart has 4 chambers. The chambers are like rooms in the house of your heart. If you look at a diagram of a heart, these chambers divide into upper and lower chambers and left and right chambers. Atria are your 2 upper heart chambers. You have a left atrium and a right atrium. Ventricles are your 2 lower heart chambers. You have a left ventricle and a right ventricle. Between the top and bottom chambers, you have heart valves. Heart valves open and close to allow for proper blood flow. Your valves ensure that blood flows only in one direction. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. That's enough to fill an 8 by 10 foot swimming pool.